Welcome to the RAF 60-second update from RAF Cosford.
RAF Typhoons have been out on operations protecting UK interests at home and abroad. The safety and security of the nation remains our top priority, and that's why the Typhoons are on standby 24 hours a day, quick reaction alert and on deployed operations. February 1st marks the 82nd anniversary of the formation of the RAF Regiment, who have operated in every conflict zone in some capacity since that day. The regiment protect and defend airfields and landing sites, trained in infantry tactics and force protection. The RAF is proud to recognise the achievements of the regiment throughout their history.
On February 5th, the Air Training Corps marks their 83rd anniversary. The ATC has provided unrivalled experiences for young people since its formation. Every year, cadets parade through their local areas to celebrate, thanks to all Cadet Force adult volunteers that make it happen. Last week was also National Apprenticeship Week. The RAF offers over 20 different types of apprenticeships in a range of professions, from aviation operations to engineering and IT. An apprenticeship with the RAF allows you to learn and earn while enjoying unparalleled experiences and developing a career like no other. That's everything for this week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.